Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video and a fun activity, I guess. So today's video will be a little bit of a mix between an unboxing and an upgrade video. So I do apologize if any of the noises outside get to you. It's that time of the day when everybody's coming home, and so there's going to be cars going back and forth and there's not the best insulation. So this here is an RX 480 from XFX. Now today it's roughly equivalent to a 1060 3GB or a GTX 1650 Super, something like that. So it's not like top of the line or anything, but the unboxing part of the video is the fun part. So this here, about 10 to 12 bucks each online on AliExpress. Takes about a month and a half to get them. Otherwise, you can go to XFX's website and you can buy them directly for something like 25, 35 bucks each. They are these nice little fans. So these fans, these are not just regular fans that come with the card. The cool thing about the XFX cards is a lot of the 70 and 80 series cards have these quick release fans. I say quick release and then my hands don't seem to work very well. So the fans themselves are just these little units that pop out so they can be replaced easily and quickly. And voila, we now have one done. And we now have two done. So now these fans, I believe, were blue LED. It's a nice little upgrade that will give a little bling to the card, and it makes sure that the fans are new and in good shape, because I bought the card used and I've gone ahead and refurbished it. The fans will now be new fans and the thermal paste has been replaced. And so now we're just going to have to test it. It'll make a nice addition to any system, and it's still considered a mid-range card nowadays, even though it's several years old and getting to be outdated. It's roughly equivalent to a 1060 3GB. So anyway, thanks for watching everyone. If you found this video educational or entertaining, please make sure you hit the like button down below. If you want to keep up to date on our videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to see about linking it here. And then, of course, if you have any questions or comments that you want to leave about either the videos, the content, or the parts that we're doing, please go ahead and leave those down in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.